Bonjour, c'est Claire à French in the Midlands. Today's video is about how to say I'm off in French. I'm going to show you 4 ways of saying it, starting with the 2 most common ones that are almost identical, and 2 more that depend on the context. This one is very common. It's je m'en vais, and that's when you're announcing you're off. For instance, bon, j'ai fini mon travail, alors je m'en vais. Bon, j'ai fini mon travail, alors je m'en vais. Right, I'm done with my work, so I'm off. See, you're announcing you're going. You're not saying where you're going, you just say I'm off. Same for the next one. Dis-moi au revoir maintenant, je m'en vais dans 2 minutes. Dis-moi au revoir maintenant, je m'en vais dans 2 minutes. Say goodbye to me now, I'm off in 2 minutes. Again, you're saying when you're going, dans 2 minutes, but you're still announcing you're going. The second one is similar to the first one, but we tend to use it more when we announce we're going somewhere previously discussed. It still means I'm off, but it's the meaning of I'm going there, hence the why. For instance, il faut que j'y aille, sinon je vais arriver en retard. Il faut que j'y aille, sinon je vais arriver en retard. I need to go, otherwise I'll be late. I need to be off. Here I've used the subjunctive, which is required by the que of il faut que. It is necessary that I went. And because that's how it works in French. So il faut que j'y aille, I need to go. J'y vais. Souhaite-moi bonne chance. J'y vais. Souhaite-moi bonne chance. I'm going there, or I'm off. Wish me luck. Now, in this situation again, you're going somewhere that was previously discussed, hence the I, but you're not saying where again, because everybody knows. And we assume that person is going to take some kind of test or exam. Before we carry on, I'll briefly mention you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the links in the description. And you could also check out my Parler Français course, which will help you reach a conversational level of French very quickly. Now the third way is je pars, and this is probably what you're going to find if you look into a dictionary. And it means I'm leaving, but only as part of a sentence. You don't use je pars to announce you're going, because it's way too formal anyway. And you kind of need something after it. For instance, je pars en voyage demain très tôt. Je pars en voyage demain très tôt. I'm leaving for a trip very early tomorrow. You see, je pars is followed by en voyage. Je pars en vacances la semaine prochaine. Je pars en vacances la semaine prochaine. I'm going on holiday next week. Note that in French we don't say to go on holiday, we say to leave on holiday. It's a collocation, it's kind of expression if you like. Finally, depending on the context, now previously it was going somewhere, going on holiday. This is about work. Je suis en congé means I'm off work. It doesn't necessarily mean you're on holiday, you're going somewhere. It just means you're off work, you're not working. For instance, je ne vérifie jamais ma boîte mail du travail quand je suis en congé. Je ne vérifie jamais ma boîte mail du travail quand je suis en congé. I never check my work inbox when I'm off work, or just when I'm off. Je suis en congé jusqu'à demain. Je suis en congé jusqu'à demain. I'm off work until tomorrow. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if that's the case, and subscribe if you're not already a member so you don't miss any of my videos when they come out. À bientôt!